So hey guys, in this video I'm going to show how we can make a real estate lead qualifier agent, like basically a voice agent using VAPI for within the state regions of India. It can talk in Hindi and English and in Indian accent. So basically let me show you a call between me and the voice agent so that you will have a better and clear idea.
हेलो, आई एम अंजलि फ्रॉम एबीसी रियल एस्टेट। क्या मैं आपके 2 मिनट ले सकती हूँ?
हाँ बोलिए।
धन्यवाद। आपकी कॉल का उद्देश्य समझना चाहती हूँ। क्या आप कोई प्रॉपर्टी खरीदने या रेंट पर लेने के बारे में जानकारी चाहते हैं? रेजिडेंशियल, कमर्शियल या कुछ और?
Basically, I'm not interested in any kind of residential property. I will be interested in mostly commercial properties.
समझ गई। आप कमर्शियल प्रॉपर्टीज में रुचि रखते हैं। क्या आप मुझे ये बता सकते हैं कि आप किस स्पेसिफिक लोकेशन में कमर्शियल प्रॉपर्टी ढूंढ रहे हैं बंगलोर में?
स्पेसिफिकली इन HSR लोकेशन। मैं एक्चुअली अभी फ्री नहीं हूँ, आप क्या थोड़ी देर बाद कॉल कर सकते हैं?
कोई बात नहीं, समझ गई। मैं थोड़ी देर बाद आपको कॉल कर दूंगी। क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि कब आप आराम से बात कर सकते हैं?
अराउंड 3:30 PM।
ठीक है, तो मैं आपको 3:30 पीएम पर कॉल करूंगी। धन्यवाद आपका। अगर और कुछ चाहिए तो आप मुझे बताइए। हैव अ ग्रेट डे।
देखा कितना, like, did you see how effective it was in the calling process? So let me show you how did I just make. This is the first part of the voice agent that I have made. The backend part is still remaining, so I'll show you how to make firstly the voice agent which can talk it like this sense. It's not much complex. We need to just open VAPI, log in into our account, and basically see what I've done is first you can see the cost of the per call minute, like cost per minute is 11 cents, which is around 10-12 rupees. Latency, it's quite okay for now. Later on we can improve it. The OpenAI model, which we have used as a provider for the system prompt, we have used OpenAI and GPT-4 mini cluster, which is fastest cost. You can see only 390 milliseconds and cost less efficient, and it's quite really good. Later on we can choose what kind of message what we need to provide in the first message. I have choose to speak the agent very first, like, hello, I'm Anjali from ABC Real Estate, can I take 2 minutes of yours? Later on, this is the system prompt. If you need a whole video on how to write a system prompt, definitely I'll create a whole video on how to write a system prompt using VAPI. VAPI is generating prompt, or ChatGPT or Cloud, whichever is preferable. I'll show you the most efficient way how to write and how to create a prompt basically. Then I have set the max token at 220, temperature at zero point 0.5 by default. The main thing comes in the voice configuration. I have choose 11 labs basically. 11 labs has one of the best Indian voice accents rather than any other kind of voice service providers, and I have choose Anika, like the voice that I have choose as the customer care agent. So you can see how these kind of agents speak in the turbo. Then I have choose the model as 11 turbo V25. You can choose V2 as well. You can experiment within yourself, but I found V2.5 as one of the best model which provide a really good output. Then additional configuration, if you want, you can add background sound. I have not added any background sound right now. It is by default. Let's close this. Transcriber. So this voice agent was made for Hindi language. That's why I have used the transcriber as DeepGram and the language as Hindi. And but you can also see that our voice agent was able to recognize English as well, and it was able to reply in Hindi as well. So this is one of the biggest advantage of using DeepGram. And later on, we haven't used any tools or anything. Like just now, this was the very very short beginning of how to make a voice agent. And later on we can integrate this with the N10, we can integrate with WAPI. Just we need to copy this agent ID API docs like the WAPI API and connect it with the make either on N10 to have a continuous concurrent calls. So if you have any kind of question, please drop down the message on the YouTube comment box and let me know. I can provide you more insights on how to make a voice agent. This was basically a very short sample on how to make a voice agent. Cool. See you in the next video. Sairam.